What's up, YouTube? Listen, man, today, guys, I got a special one for you. We're going to dive into the charts. I want to show you some correlation between market moves on today and what you can expect so that you know how to play stocks, whether to the upside or to the downside, okay? But with that being said, guys, I want to say major salute to everybody that did their thing on the day. Listen, today, again, was a continuation of yesterday's market bounce. Okay, remember, guys, a couple days ago in our word of the day segment, one of our stock lingos was counter trend rally. Okay, and the counter trend rally was nothing more than what you guys have seen the last 2 days in this bear market. Okay, in a bear market you will get pops, in a bear market you will have rallies, but the thing to know is they're not sustainable and they're oftentimes short-lived. Okay, again, short-lived can be anywhere from 2 weeks to 30 days though when I say that, so please have context. With that being said though, guys, stacking 2 days in a row on top of each other, sometimes false hopes get injected to the stock market. Okay, so then we think, oh, we got the all clear sign, stocks are about to head back up, but that is not the case. All right, and I want to caution you and make sure we pump our brakes so that we know what to be on the lookout for. Okay, but listen, with that being said, we still do have to respect what we seen on the day. We do have to respect the fact that stocks did go up. The trend was up on today at least, and so you want to respect that for the time being. I had to even respect it, guys. I was ready to do puts to get the weekend started, but today the market showed a lot of strength, and I'm gonna show you that on the charts today on how strong it was. Okay, but then I'm still going to be looking for potential puts tomorrow. But if puts don't present itself, I gotta fall back and understand the market is ready to still continue higher. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, today we're going to look at the SPY. Okay, and this one I like to look at because you get a chance to use this and see this in totality of what the market is doing overall. All right, now listen, guys, I'm going to open this one up. I'm looking at the 1 day. Let me show you guys these intervals. I'm looking at the 1 day right now. All right, but you need to make yourself familiar with the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 5, the 2 minutes, and the 1 minute chart if you're using this. Okay, and if you get chart got the 3 minutes on it, look at that one as well. But for the 1 day, let's take your eyes over here. Okay, if we look here, this purple line was sitting at 416. Okay, this bottom line, that was a level of resistance that we needed to get over today, and guys, we did just that. Okay, we were able to do just that. Matter of fact, not only did we get to it, we were able to get through it, and we got up to as much as 405.31 in terms of where we closed at on today. Okay, we end up hitting as high as 406, okay, and above, but this was a good sign to confirm the 2-day bounce that I was talking to you guys about, the counter trend rally. Okay, the contrarian rally. All right, that's what you saw on today. Now listen to this. Let's check this out. This is the 1 day chart, but let's go look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, now look at where this 200 EMA sits on this 1 hour chart. Okay, and it's sitting at 409.09. Okay, $409.09. Why is that important? Okay, right now the SPY is sitting at 405 and after hours. Tomorrow it's going to make a run for 409. Okay, 409 is currently serving as resistance. All right, it is serving as resistance, but if it can get to, let's say, 410 and hold above 410, that is a great sign for the stock market overall. But one thing you will notice is that your plays will go up as well. Okay, let me make sure that I got this right for you guys. Okay, so with that being said, we are going to be looking at either we're going to get rejected at 409 tomorrow, because we're going to make a run for it. Okay, now if we go through 409, know that your plays will rally as well. Okay, so you want to peek at the SPY. You want to make sure that you're checking price action to see what's going on. If we can't get to and through 409 and we get rejected, meaning we get smacked back down, look for us to come back to 403, then eventually 400, okay? And hopefully that hold up as support, because if not, we're coming back down to 393, okay? But that's where this information comes from. So tomorrow, the first order of business, and I'll be in the Discord to let you guys know. Listen, we're going to look for the SPY to test potentially 409. If it can't get to 409, it might come back to 403. That will be something I would tell you, but that information is coming from this. Now, guys, although we're looking at the 1 hour chart, let's go ahead and look at the 2-minute chart really quickly. Just take a look at this. Look at how it rolled this line the whole entire day, okay? This is a lot of strength and sustainability that it demonstrated on today for it to hold up this long. And so again, the trend is your friend. The trend said this is up. It rolled it up all day. Much as I wanted it to come down, I was ready to do some puts, but I didn't get a setup. I didn't see a setup. Dang, there no crossovers or anything, okay? Let's peek at the 5-minute, okay? Look at this on the 5-minute. It came out the gate, boom, 9:30. It rolls all the way up, all day today, okay? And it was able to maintain itself, and the 48 was able to hold it up and serve as support on today. So it didn't come down any, and it was able to maintain strength on today. Now listen, tomorrow is a 3-day weekend, and so there's very much a chance with it being Friday and we got a 3-day weekend ahead of us that this could come down, or there could continue to be more momentum if it's able to get through 409. Really quickly, look at this 200 EMA here on the 5-minute. It's showing us that $400 level of support. Remember, I told you, if we can't get through 409, it's going to get smacked back down, and we may test 403. If we can't hold 403, boom, look at where we're coming to, $400.04. Okay, these levels matter, okay, when you are dealing in the stock market and when you're looking at technicals and you're trying to make plays, especially with options, okay? And so that's why I'm covering them on a day, because I want to make sure that you guys are informed about what the chart is telling us. And sometimes you just got to ride the trend, and the trend today was certainly in an upward trajectory. All right, okay guys, with that being said, man, I just wanted to make sure I put that on you. Let me know if you like the charts and if you want more of the charts. I don't have no problem teaching you all the tricks of the trade and all the little things you need to know, the nuances of how to dominate using charts, okay? But eventually, guys, you're going to ultimately get to a point where you're going to know this stuff so well, the charts will just be an added addition. It'll be icing on the cake, because once you get yourself to a level where you just know your levels, you know the movements, you know what a bull flag is, a bear flag is, you know what everything is indicating to you, guys. It's a beautiful game that you can dominate at extremely high level, okay? Listen, man, I hope this was helpful. The point of today's video was to caution you guys about two things, okay? The market is in a gray area, meaning if we don't get through 409, we can come right back down, okay? And that's likely definitely going into a 3-day weekend, all right? If we can get through 409, the rally or the bounce will continue, and your other individual stocks will get lifted as well as we go into a 3-day weekend. The trick here is this, though. Don't fall for the bull trap, because it might run up to end out the day, and then over the course of the weekend, and then Monday the market will be closed, but come Tuesday you might have a gap down, and they might already plummet the stock when you can't do anything about it, and then you might be down 100% on your plays, if you will, okay? 50%, 40%. You just never know what they may do. So listen, be on your P's and Q's. Bring your A game to the table tomorrow, because I plan on seeing us dominate like we do each and every day, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.